If you notice that your towels are starting to get stinky or maybe even musty, let me show you the best way to get them nice and clean and smelling great, along with a few things you can do to make sure it doesn't happen again. Now, step number one is to reset the towels. We want to get that stinkiness out right away. Now, what we're gonna do is grab our towels and put them in our washing machine. I know nothing groundbreaking here yet, but one thing to always think about when washing towels is how many you're adding to the drum. If you put too many in, essentially it gets too crowded in there and the water and things and the detergent can't get to them to properly clean them, especially if you have a high efficiency machine. Now, what I like to recommend is around 3 to 5 towels, but that kind of depends a little bit on the type of towels and your machine. But the main thing here is just make sure they have enough room to freely move around the drum. Once we got our towels in the drum, what we're gonna do is add 1 to 2 cups of white vinegar. This is really the star here and what's gonna help us remove all of those stinky odors. Now, usually the reason I say 1 to 2 cups, it kind of depends on how stinky they are and how much I'll add. If they're not too bad, but I notice a little musty smell, 1 cup should do it. But if they're really bad, just add 2. Now, again, this is a reset clean, so we're only gonna use the vinegar. We're not gonna add any extra detergent to the drum. I also like to wash them on hot water, and if your machine does have either a bulky or towel setting, it's best to use this just because it uses a little bit more water and scrubbing and agitation to really get those items clean. The one thing I like to mention too is if your machine does have a soak feature, it's always a good idea to use that. Just gives the vinegar a little bit more time to work and do its thing. In most cases, the reason towels get stinky is from detergent residue buildup. And that's just kind of a fancy way of saying we're using too much soap to wash them with, and unfortunately that soap doesn't get completely rinsed out of the towels, so then it dries sticky and tacky and attracts more dirt and bacteria every single time we use them, which I know is very gross to think about. Sometimes we don't even feel that tackiness, but it's still happening when we're using too much detergent. Now, the other thing that when you have that tackiness and that bacteria start to build up, it can also trap moisture, and really that's where the funky odors start to come from. Now, the vinegar does a great job here because it's stripping away all of that residue, and along with that residue is all of those stinky odors and bacteria and grime that is caught on the fibers there, completely removing it. Once the reset wash is done, we're not gonna take the towels and put them in the dryer just yet. We're actually gonna run a second wash cycle. Now, this time we will use detergent, but we only want to use about 2 tablespoons of detergent. In fact, that's really all you should ever be using, or maybe a little less depending on the size of the load. If you follow the cap there and fill that all the way up, you are gonna run into this same problem. It's gonna get sticky again and the smell and odor will come back. Now, a quick pro tip here, really when washing your towels anytime, but specifically for this second wash here, is please do not add fabric softener. Unfortunately, fabric softener creates a waxy residue on the towels, and that can affect its absorbency, so they just don't work as well, but it also can trap odors inside. In fact, using vinegar like we did for the first wash there is actually a better fabric softener. This will really soften up those towels, again, because it's removing any sort of residue there and just leaves them nice and clean. Now, if you're enjoying today's video and want even more helpful cleaning tips, definitely check out my website, cleanthatUp.com. I have many blog articles over there, even a free newsletter, and you can even pick up my favorite microfiber cleaning towels along with some helpful checklists to keep your home nice and clean. Once the second wash is complete, the next step is to get the towels dry as quickly as possible. I know that's really nothing groundbreaking, but this is really one of the most important steps to ensure that your towels don't get stinky. Now, what I like to do is just throw them in the dryer on a medium to high heat and then use the bulky drying setting on my dryer. That way it's designed for kind of those larger items. Now, the goal here is to get them completely bone dry. If you notice after the dry cycle is complete that they're still a little damp, run it again. The reason being is we don't want to leave any moisture in those towels, especially if we take them out and fold them, because essentially you're going to fold them and no air will get to those areas that are still damp, and then the next time you go to grab it and use it, it's going to have that stinky, musty smell. So drying is really the most important step you can take to prevent any of those stinky odors from lingering on your towels. But what if you tried everything we just talked about with the vinegar, the 2 wash cycles, you got them dry, and your towels still stink? Well, the next step that I like to recommend is using a laundry sanitizer. The one I like to use is this one here from Clorox. I think it does a really good job, and I like the smell of it too. But the reason you want to use a laundry sanitizer is this is designed to kill bacteria. most likely what's happening is you still have a little bit of that bacteria residue in the towel, and you just need something stronger to completely remove that. Now you can add this into your laundry wash like normal cycle. You actually put this in the fabric softener drawer, but again, this is not fabric softener. But what I like to recommend kind of at this point where your towels are still stinky after doing everything we talked about is usually I'll add some of this to a bin with some water, put the towels in that bin and let it sit overnight. You just want to give this time to work and do its thing. Then once it's sat overnight, I'll grab the towels, put them in the wash and just run a normal wash cycle and then get them nice and dry. In most cases, this has taken care of any remaining stinky odors. And sanitizer is also really nice just for things like your gym clothes, really anything stinky, even like a dog bed and things or a dog blanket that they like to lay on. If you have a stinky odor, this is definitely a go-to, but I don't always start here just because many times you need that vinegar to strip all the residue from the towel. So it's always a good idea to start there first and then jump to this if you need it. Now there are two things that not a lot of people think about when it comes to preventing stinky odors, and that is to clean the machines themselves. Yes, I know these machines help us clean our clothes, but they need a good cleaning every once in a while as well. And if you leave any sort of mold and mildew in those machines or haven't cleaned them in a long time, unfortunately over time that will build up and transfer to your towels and clothes, and it can just make everything super stinky. So giving these a good deep clean is very key in keeping your clothes smelling better. Whether you have a top or front load machine, don't worry, I have you covered. I have full step-by-step videos on exactly how to deep clean these machines linked down in the description. Definitely check those out and keep your machine clean. Now the other thing I wanted to mention is your front loader, if you have one of those, also has a filter, and many times in my experience this can be one of the main areas that's causing stinky odors that can get onto your towels and clothes, so make sure to always clean that on a monthly basis. The second thing is to clean out your dryer vent. Now before you put the towels into your dryer, you should make sure that the lint trap is also clear because that is super helpful. But really the dryer vent is key because if that is loaded with lint and debris and things, essentially when you're trying to dry your towels, all that wet, hot air just cannot escape. It stays in the dryer, and like we talked about, the longer your towels stay damp, the higher chances they're going to stink. Now I have a full step-by-step video on exactly how to clean out your dryer vent as well. Definitely check that out. And the other thing I always like to mention when talking about this is if you have a ton of lint buildup in there, it can be a massive fire hazard. So it's always good to do this at least once or twice a year. And there you have it. Now you know how to get your towels from stinky and musty to smelling great and nice and clean. Thanks so much for watching as always. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and smash that like button. I also need to give a huge shout out and thank you to all the Clean Squad members. We really appreciate your support. These videos would not be possible without your help. Now, if you want to join the Clean Squad and help support the videos along with get your name credited down below, all you have to do is click the link in the description for Patreon or click the join button here on YouTube. And as I always say, I'll see ya on the next clean.